Hello, welcome to this online course on how to record your online course with Canva. My name is Ikwagi Igwe and I am your instructor in this exercise. I have been developing content, creating online courses for a decade now. I usually come across this basic challenge from other online course creators on how do I record my online course, because most times what keeps people away from recording their online course is the techie syndrome. They believe that they are not techie. They believe that they do not know how to navigate through most of the technologies, and also some people are shy from using the camera, and the fear of setting up, having a huge budget to set up a recording studio and all that. But all these shouldn't deter you from creating your online course, because I see them simply as excuses. All right, now when you see them as not as excuses that are not worthy to keep you away, you'll be able to find other ways of doing that. So this is what has helped me so far, and it has sustained me in this industry. So once again, I'd like to introduce myself to you. My name is Ikwagi Igwe, and I promise you're going to enjoy this course, and at the end of the day you will be able to create your own online course. Now I assure you another thing is that after this course, creating your own online course is not going to be a piece of cake, because you're going to find a very seamless, easy way to do that from the comfort of anywhere. Whether you are camera shy, there's a provision for you. Whether you are not shy on the camera, there's also a provision for you in this course. And we're going to use the Canva platform. I'm sure you know the Canva platform. You can sign up for the to get a Canva account on canva.com, CANVA. Watch my cursor on the screen here, canva.com. This is my own Canva account here. Right, so you can sign up, create your own account. You'll be ushered into a page like this. Now these are my designs on Canva. Now Canva, you can use Canva to design anything that you want. You can use Canva to design quite a number of things, because Canva provides you with templates that it's just like a plug and play. All right, you just pick what you want and begin to edit, replacing them with your own content. Now the good thing about Canva is that it has templates in almost every sector, in almost every area you want to do something on. If you go up here under template, you see there is template under social media, personal, business, marketing, education, trending, right? And under each of these categories you have different kinds of templates. Now for example, if we look at business, you will see you have presentations, websites, logos, business cards, invoices, business letterheads, and so on. Social media, you have Instagram stories, LinkedIn banners, YouTube channel ads, Facebook covers, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, and all of them there. So in this introduction, I want to introduce you to the layout of Canva so that you can get used to the Canva layout, you get familiar with it. So in case you're already familiar with the Canva layout, I bet there's going to be something new you're going to learn from this tour and orientation, just to juggle your memory or juggle what you already know. Okay, so assuming we want to create for the online course we're talking about, what is preferable is the one called presentations. So you go ahead and click on presentations. I'm going to open up the presentations. I'm going to use that as an example to show you the layout of Canva and how to use Canva. Now under presentation, there are several templates. The different names. You have marketing, professional, brand guidelines, and all that. So these are all different templates depending on what you want your presentation or your slide to look like. You can choose. Now I forgot to mention that Canva is a free service, although there is a premium side of it. That shows you of tons of pictures, There are fonts that are reserved for premium users. There are also some templates that are reserved for premium users, and it's just a token fee which you can afford either monthly or annually. All right, so how do you know the premium templates? When you watch my cursor, you see here it says paid, here it says free. So if you're on the free version, you can just go ahead and select only the ones under the free category. So we'll just go through this different slides. There are tons of slides here, so you pick the one that you prefer to use. All right, so for example, let's go with this. Maybe the course the online course you are preparing is for learning at home. Maybe you want to teach parents on how to learn at home. All right, so let's go with this. This is learning from home. So we open that up, then it says use these templates. Now it gives you some statistics that 606,460 people have liked this template already. It looks fine. Then you can also go through the gallery to see what the template has. All right, so let's just go ahead, click on use these templates. So that opens up, so it brings us to the place where we can make adjustments, do replacements, and get what we want at the end of the day. All right, okay, so this is what we have here. This is what we have here. Okay, all right, so we have here, so this is the template. This is assuming you're doing your slides. This is the first slide, a student's guide to learning from home. Assuming you want to change this and say a parent's guide to learning from home, you click on the box. This is grouped. You can click on the box here, and you come here and say on group, so that you can edit each of the words or sentences individually. Okay, so I come to student's guide, I click on that, I change this, I highlight and say a parent's guide to learning from home. See, we have done that, we've changed it. Now these are the images. You can reposition these and say, okay, I want this to be here, I want this to be here, then I want this to be here. Alright, so you can just go ahead, keep on tweaking it, come to page 2, you do the same. You can change the text here, change information here. That's how you keep going. Assuming you need maybe this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Assuming you need only 7 slides, you can delete the ones you don't want by coming here. You come here, you say I don't want this, you delete it, it's gone. So that's how you keep editing, keep going, and that is done. Now okay, we want to add a fresh text that is not here originally. What you can do is